Oh, it's alright. I'm recording.
I'm sorry, man.
Oh, no worries, man. I'm sorry. Oh, go ahead. No worries.
And yes, I am shaking up the tickets. 604-322. 604-322. Okay, now a B&D electric screwdriver. Black & Decker, B&D. Black & Decker, donated by Popular Community Bank. Ticket number 603-501. 603-50. Okay, so automatic bonus seat cover. Now I'm going to read the ticket off, but later on you can actually go up there and there'll be a sheet and it'll have the numbers on with the number of the prize next to it. Okay, so if you don't get it now, you can always check later, but you actually want to pick it up as soon as you can. So for the automatics bonus seat cover, the winning number is 603-675.